My name is Prakash Thapa. I am a student of the SAS Institute Management Study MMS first year. So today the topic of my presentation like e-commerce preparation by the Mitali Sankhe. Commerce. Basically, commerce is a division of the trade or production which deal with exchange of good and service from the produce to final consumer. Different type of the e-commerce. Basically, business to business like B2B, business to consumer like B2C, business to government like B2G, consumer to consumer like C2C, government to consumer like G2C, government to business like G2B. E-commerce. It is commonly known as electronic marketing. It is a consisting buying and selling in the good and service over an electronic system such as internet. E-commerce is a purchasing, selling and exchanging good and service over a computer, network, internet through which the transaction over term as a sale of performed electronically. E-commerce versus e-business. We use the term e-business to refer the primary or to the digital enablement of transaction and process with a firm, the involving information system under the controlling of the firm. E-commerce is including the e-commercial transaction involving and exchanging of the value across organization boundaries. The process of e-commerce. The process of e-commerce, the consumer use a web browser to connect to the home page of the merchant website on the internet. The consumer browser to catalog of the product feature on the site on the select item to the purchase. The select item are the place and the electronic equipments of the shopping cart. When the consumer is ready to complete to the purchase of the select item, as they provide the bill to and a ship to address for purchase and delivery. So what is B2B e-commerce? B2B e-commerce is a simply defined e-commerce between company. About 80% e-commerce of the type, for example, like internet selling the Microsoft to Dell, Heinz selling the ketchup to MC Donald's. Like B2B e-commerce, this type process. What is B2C e-commerce? So business to consumer e-commerce is or commerce between company and consumer is involving customer gathering information, purchasing physical good or receiving the product over on electronic network. Example like Dell selling me a laptop. Basically B2C e-commerce, this follow the example. What is the B2G e-commerce? So basically B2G e-commerce like business to government. Basically business to government is e-commerce is a B2G is as generally defined the e-commerce between the company as the public sector. So refer to the use of the internet public procurement, licensing procedure and the other government is related operation. For example like business pay tax, file report or selling good and service to government agency. B2G e-commerce like a business organization as website as government. What is the C2C e-commerce? Basically consumer to consumer. E-commerce or C2C is a simply e-commerce between the private individual or consumer. So example like Mary buying an iPod from the Tom on eBay and me selling a car to my neighbor. C2C e-commerce just follow the example like look like that. G2C e-commerce. This is a model is also part of the e-governance. The objective is the model is to the provide the good of and effective service to each the citizen. So government is to provide the following facility to the citizens and throughout the website. Information all the government is the departments, different the welfare schemes, different application form to be used by the citizen. G2C e-commerce like government, website and citizen. G2B e-commerce basically government to business like G2B. Business the model that is referred to government is the providing service and information to business organization. The government is used B2G is the model website the approach the business organization. Such website is support the action the tenders and the application submission and the functionalities. Like G2B e-commerce is like government is to follow the website follow the business organization. The advantage of the e-commerce, the basically this is the faster buying and selling the procedure as a way as easy to find the product buying and selling 24/7 hours. More reach to customer. There is no the article the geographical limitation. low operational cost and better quality of service. No need the physical. The company setup easy to start and manage to business. Customer can easily to select product and from different providers without moving around physically. Disadvantage of the e-commerce, basically unable to examine the product is personally. Not everyone is connected to the internet. There is a possibility of the credit card number theft. Mechanical is the failures. It can cases the unpredictable effort on the total processes. Thank you everybody. You will listen to my presentation.